What if time wasn't something you had to chase? What if it didn't demand anything from you at all? What if it simply moved gently? This is Ninh Binh, Vietnam, a place shaped by water, stone, and patience. Here, days don't arrive loudly, they unfold. Mornings don't rush here. There's no urgency in the air. Tea cools, coffee cools, thoughts slow down. The river doesn't hurry. It moves because it does, not because it has somewhere to be. And somehow that's enough. When nothing is loud, you start noticing what you have been carrying. Deadlines, expectations, the constant feeling of being late. These mountains have been here longer than worry. They don't react. They don't rush. They simply remain. Being somewhere familiar changes how you see yourself, not because you are distracted, but because you are finally still. Maybe the problem isn't that we don't have enough time. Maybe we have just forgotten how to sit inside it without trying to fill it. This is the ThearthWay.